Hey everybody, it's Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I wanted to hop on here real quick today and share with you a smallish haul of some items that I found at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby this past week. I'm very excited to start seeing fall items at Dollar Tree. I do have a lot from last year that I'm going to be using, but I was excited to find some new items. So if you are new to my channel, on my channel Monarch Mom DIY, I try to bring you the best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. I love crafting and bringing DIYs to you each week. So if you are new here, I hope you'll consider sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. Also, if you would like to see more haul videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up, and that lets me know that you want to keep seeing haul videos. So with all that being said, let's get in to show you these awesome finds. Okay, since most of the items I got were from Dollar Tree, I'll just go ahead and start with those items and then show you the few things from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. So in no particular order, I got this wood looking charger plate. I'm probably going to stencil something on it, either fall or holiday related. So I did have one of these, so I was excited to pick up one more of those. Let's see, some little 4x6 size canvases. They're on really strong cardboard. They come 3 in a pack. I'm thinking I'm going to do some stencils from my Maker Studio, some signs, and put them in a nice frame that I have painted. These are not a new item, but I'm going to repurpose them. Even though they have like a teacher saying on them, I'm going to remove that saying and stencil my own sentiment on those. Let's see, I did also pick up in the fall decor some more of these jar-shaped signs. And I'm thinking that I'm going to take these strings off, and I'm probably going to make this a two-sided sign, glue the two together and do one side for fall and one side for Christmas. So that's kind of my idea with those, but they are really pretty. You could use them how they are. There's the Grateful and Blessed. And then I think the other one said Hello Fall. So I did pick up 4 of those. I was excited to find this new, can you see how it's raised? And these are good size. Let's see how big these are. These are about 10 inches tall. Yeah, and about 8 inches wide. So these are really nice quality with the raffia bow. I did get 2 of these pumpkins. I was able to find these, I'm pretty sure this is MDF, that manufactured, that looks like wood, but I got one for the word thankful. And let me tell you, these are about 15, 16 inches if you go from there to the end of the L. So really nice size with the twine hanger. So I have thankful, gather, and family. So I just got one of each of those. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with them, but couldn't pass them up. Needed to get at least one. Okay, these are really cool. I had bought some like this from Hobby Lobby around Easter time. And so I found these at Dollar Tree. I found 3 different kinds. I found the white and green, which really could be for any time of year. This would be great for spring also. I found the one that is all red berries, and then, so I was thinking this one for Christmas time, And then this one is orange and red. So this is definitely would be great for fall. So these garland are really nice. Great quality, 9 feet. So I picked up a few of those. Also, I was really happy to find this sign. It's one of the stakes, and it's actually really, really strong. It's not the thin cardboard. It's more of the stronger, I think it's MDF, but anyway, pressed wood kind of thing. The truck picture is really nice with the pretty pumpkins, and then it says 25 cents a pound. So not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. You could take it off the stake, put it on a wreath, but just wanted to show you that. I was excited to find some ribbon. Now, at my store, the black and white buffalo check wired ribbon was in their Halloween decor. Some stores are also showing it in the fall decor. So I did get 3 spools of the black and white buffalo check wired ribbon. I'm really trying to practice on making my bows. I still need to get a bodabra, someone was telling me. And then I did get this red and kind of cream in the fall. I thought this would be great for fall and maybe even for the holidays. All right, so a couple more things. I was very excited. I had to go to a second store to find these trucks. But again, like those pumpkins, these have some raised pieces. They do have 2 pumpkins in the back, but I thought I could very easily remove the pumpkins and then use this on a sign. I'm thinking I have a video. I will link it. If I can figure out how to do the cards, I'll do that. But I made a stand-up truck with, not the wood ones, the ones they had last year that were more of the, like this, cardboard stuff. But I could very easily with 2 of these actually, and one of those small crates from Dollar Tree, make an actual truck. So I did get 5 of these. I do have a craft show hopefully still in November that I'm going to modify these to make them more for Christmas or year round. All right, the last things I got from Dollar Tree, I'd seen these on a couple YouTube hauls and I was very excited to find them. This Farmer's Market calendar and this Simply Blessed calendar. So I will definitely be DIYing some of these images, whether I Mod Podge them onto something or simply decorate a nice frame and put them inside. These are the pictures for the Simply Blessed. It looks like white shiplap. A couple of them look like black and then gray. Really, really pretty. And then these are the Farmer's Market ones. I especially love the lemonade and this chicken, and then of course October, November, December. These are pretty much the reason I bought these, especially the Christmas one, trying to think ahead for DIYs for my craft show. So that was it that I got from Dollar Tree as far as crafting supplies. I did go over to Hobby Lobby mainly to look at their clearance section. They're clearancing a lot of their spring items. But I have a lot of thrift store things that I need to do something with first. But I did find these in the fall section. So normally $3.99, 40% off. I think, well, you can at least see the top one. It's the really nice laser cut wood words. You get 2 thankful, 2 grateful, and 2 blessed. I thought this was a really great deal. I paid $2.40 and got 6. So that's 40 cents for each nice wood word, and they're good thickness. I'm sure I will be adding these to some of my DIYs coming up very, very soon. All right, and lastly, I was excited that Walmart had their fat quarters out again. So I got 4 that I was thinking more towards fall, and these are $1.47 at my store. These are 18 inches by 21 inches. So you can see there some oranges and blacks. They had a lot of other ones. I was just more into the patterns. you know, like the plaids and ginghams. I wasn't really into the leaves and pumpkins, and they did also have Halloween. So they had a bunch of Halloween ones, a bunch of fall ones, and then a bunch of Christmas ones. These are the ones I got for Christmas. I'm really hoping that Dollar Tree comes out with those wood Christmas trees again, because I want to make a bunch of those. You could cover those with scrapbook paper, but you could also Mod Podge fabric on them. So that's kind of my idea. So these are the ones that I got from Walmart. So thanks again for joining me today for this small haul, and let me know in the comments what your favorite item was. What is the one special item that you're looking for? And if you want to continue to see hauls from me, I know there are a lot of other YouTubers that do them. I kind of will only buy things that I'm pretty sure I'm going to use, so I don't go buy one of everything just because it's new. So yeah, let me know if you want to continue seeing haul videos from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.